Imagine a world where our continents are connected as one enormous supercontinent, just as they were 200 million years ago when Pangaea ruled the Earth. Without the deep blue seas that now separate nations, migration of plants and animals would have been simpler, fostering a more uniform ecosystem. Human civilizations would have shared knowledge and cultures at unprecedented speeds, yet geographical barriers that once inspired local innovations might have stifled diversity. What if the Himalayas had never soared into existence? Without these towering mountains, the monsoon winds sweeping over the Indian subcontinent might have been much less dramatic. Rivers like the Ganges and Indus would flow differently, potentially altering agricultural patterns and the rise of ancient civilizations. The loss of this majestic barrier might have transformed cultural exchange in Asia, reshaping religions, languages, and trade routes. Envision Antarctica as a lush, vibrant continent rather than a frozen desert. If Antarctica had warmed early in Earth's history, it could have hosted rich ecosystems filled with flowering plants and diverse animals. The world's climate might be radically different, with oceans circulating in new patterns and species evolving in unexpected ways. The impact on global sea levels, once locked in ice, would be immeasurable. Or consider Earth's axial tilt reduced to zero. In such a scenario, the distinct seasons we cherish would vanish, leading to a climate dominated by constant weather patterns. Agriculture, wildlife, and human activities would have to adapt dramatically, perhaps resulting in a planet that is either uniformly arid or lush, depending on latitude. These what-if moments remind us how delicate Earth's geography is. Each mountain range, ocean, and continent plays a unique role in shaping life as we know it. Such hypothetical scenarios truly inspire us to appreciate our planet's dynamic history and help safeguard its fragile balance.